Oh, so here we go then with another one. We're in the amazing Snowdonia again today, and we're on Moel Hebog. Going to be quite a trek this is. So there it is, Moel Hebog. It's actually Moel Hebog is the correct pronunciation, isn't that's a word. And it's 2,569 feet. Moel Hebog, known as Hill of the Hawk. Actually, that water is. You might think I'm missing something today. My glasses. I've got my contact lenses in. It's good, but it's hard to read the screen, so the map and stuff, notes. But I'm alright. But Moel Hebog, it's Marilyn and Nuttall and a Hewitt. And I'll put a link in the description to that. It's basically 2,000 foot high and a certain amount of prominence, and to be classed as all three. Yeah, just had to have a 5 minutes break, get a bit of fluids, a bit of energy, nice orange and a biscuit. It's pretty much 1,000 feet elevation gain straight off the bat. So it's just pretty much just up. But it's yeah, probably about, I think it's 2,500 feet of elevation gain altogether on this route. So yeah, 1,000 feet done. So I'm going to get my backpack back on and push on. $1,320 odd feet. Anyway, what a trek. There it is, Moel Hebog. A lot of 19th century mining went on this mountain and around a lot of the peaks and mountains in Snowdonia. Incredible, beautiful day. I guess you're thinking that's the summit. Think again. There you go, Moel. Oh yes. Right. Let's get this last 200 feet nailed then. And we'll be at the summit then. What a trek, man. Incredible, but that's one of the most kind of unrelenting climbs ever. He never stops. Kind of up, up. So look at it. Incredible mountain this is. The old geology facts of the day then. All the rocks there in front here. Ordovician and Cambrian rock. Formed from volcanoes. Part of the Snowdon volcanic group. Absolutely amazing. What a fucking buzz this is, man. Beautiful. Look at that. Summits going on. God almighty, it's incredible. Possibly the best ever view from a summit. It's deserved as well. Summit of Moel Hebog. So that's Cnicht over there, the one I've done a few months ago. And there's the highest point, Snowdon, near Widford. That's the summit of Moel Hebog, Moel Hebog. Look at that view, right? That's probably the best view I've ever had on a night. And it is a special one. Incredible. Right, that makes a change. We're going downhill. That is one hell of a scramble up there. Really is. So a Piper aeroplane crashed onto this mountain back in 1999. I'll put some details on the in the description. It was it says an unauthorised engine start. I think it was something to do with a miscommunication with the RAF, but obviously the pilot died. That was yeah, 27 years ago. So there's a plane crash there was onto Moel Hebog. There's Snowdon again. That's where we come from. So in 1784, what's known as the Moel Hebog shield was found, and it dates back to around 1100 BC, the Moel Hebog shield. It's tough going through this forest, by the way, a lot of mud, uneven rocks and stuff, so if you do the route, be careful. Kind of puts a little dampener on it through this forest. Not easy. Look at all these foxgloves, they're amazing these, will they bloom. My favourite flower. Yeah, still descending. Obviously we're off the mountain, but we had to make our way through a forest as well, which you've probably seen on a few shots, so it's a tough descent as well through that forest. Really muddy, but yeah, we're not far off, probably a mile and a half from the end now. But apparently a former Prince of Wales, obviously not the one now, back in the 14th century hid on a cave from the English on Moel Hebog. You can see the farm just up ahead where we started the ascent, so probably about a mile and a half back to the start now. I think it'll be about an 8-mile hike all in. Tough hike and scramble, but them views at the top, probably one of the best yet, to be honest. There it is in the distance. Doesn't look like a lot from down there, but believe me, it is. Right, time check. 7.21 mile, 2,500 feet elevation down. Well, that was another incredible hike, that was. Hike and a scramble. Absolutely brilliant. Forest was a bit tough towards the end. Obviously the scramble was really tough, but that forest with the mud as well. It's up there with one of the toughest ones I've ever done, that, but the views, probably the best, to be honest. I remember going on that when I was a kid, my mum and dad. 40 years ago, unbelievable. That's me wrapped up with another one, guys, and that was Moel Hebog, or Moel Hebog in Welsh. Peace. See you on the next one. Hill of the Hawk. I don't think it's Barry Hawkins, but it's the Hawk.